Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. This is Bob Montego. Have you ever wondered how a coconut grows? These little things sometimes would surprise us just to see how they grow. Um, I have my little stash of coconuts right here, but after husking this coconut, I was ready to use this one, and it's actually it's actually growing, and I'm not sure how the water will actually taste or the nut, because once it starts growing, this bud here which grows into the tree usually start using up the water inside the coconut and start using up the nut itself for nutrients until it can push roots long enough to start going down into the earth and start providing its own nutrient from the earth. All right, so if you've never seen it, this is how coconut grows. It grows from these things we usually call the eye of the coconut, and I don't know how it selects which eye to grow out of, but you can see it starts growing its roots right here, and another root was broken off right here, but you can see the roots around, and quite soon it will grow into a big enough tree. But I have enough coconut trees, I don't need another one, so I'm going to try breaking this coconut and see if it's still any use. But yeah, but there you have it. That's how coconut grows, just in case you ever wondered. Thanks for watching. This is Bob Montego, and Wake Up and Live.